Maheshwar Sehgal. I am plastic and cosmetic surgeon at Benson's Hospital, Dwarka. Plastic surgery and cosmetic surgery, as you all know, it's a very talked about branch these days. And among the cosmetic surgery procedure, breast surgeries are the one thing the people are more curious about. So I'd like to discuss a few points about breast surgery. Among the breast surgery, it is usually the enhancement or the increase in size which is more popular, but the two surgeries which are either increase in size or decrease in size. But let us first discuss the breast enhancement, or usually which is increase in size of the breast. It is usually done at the age of 18 to 20 years, mostly of those women who have smaller breast for their age or for their body size. It is usually due to some hormonal disturbance or maybe idiopathic. We take up the patient for breast enhancement only after 18 to 20 years of age. First we go in for normal gynecological checkup and hormonal profile. After getting clearance from that side, we take up the patient for breast enhancement. The breast enhancement, there are two methods of breast enhancement. One is doing it by silicone implant and the other is doing it by fat grafting. Although fat grafting is autologous, means taking it out from your own body and putting it inside the breast, but the results are more appreciable when you do it with silicone implants. The silicone implants what we are using these days are the third generation FDA approved silicone gel sheet implant, which have silicone gel inside and the outer it is silicone case. These are long lasting implants, FDA approved, which last up to 10 to 15 years. It is advised that the patient gets her implant checked up after 15 years for any revision. In this surgery, it is a daycare surgery. The patient comes in the morning and goes home by evening. The process of putting in implant, it can be either put by a small incision at the inferior of the breast, which is inframammary crease, or secondly it can be given a small incision around the nipple areola complex. We prefer putting it by inframammary crease because the placement is more appropriate. The size of the implant can be discussed with the patient beforehand, and the volume of the implant is decided as per the desire of the patient. Although we don't advise too much heavy implants, but as per the desire of the patient, the proper size can be achieved. There are no major side effects or risk in this surgery, but it is a surgery done under GA, so has some risk of GA. Rest, patient will not have any difficulty in breastfeeding in her future pregnancies, nor will have any disturbances in her neurological sensation of her nipples. The second surgery of the breast, which is although not as common as breast implant, is the reducing the size of the breast. This is less common surgery, as most women, although they are very trouble having the big breast, but they don't come up for surgery as they are not aware of the surgical procedure. This is for those women which have heavy breast and have backache due to their heavy breast, or have difficulty in doing routine work due to heavy breast. This is a surgery in which an indoor stay is required for 1 to 2 days, and the surgery, it's a lengthy surgery for 3 to 4 hours. It is done under general anesthesia. In this, we preserve the nipple areola complex of the patient and we reposition it. The two good results of the breast reduction surgery are, as it reduces the size of the surgery as well as it positions the nipple at a proper place. In this, the stay is 2 to 3 days and the recovery period is usually 2 weeks. The only drawback for this surgery is a long scar from the nipple up to the crease, and there might be some disturbance in breastfeeding pattern of the female. The patient should be told beforehand that she might have trouble feeding her future pregnancies. And the second is, it is a long scar. Overall, the number of breast surgeries, they are increasing in number in the West, but in India also, as the women are gaining self-confidence, they are coming to us for this breast surgery, most common surgeries being the breast enhancement. The main reason for this increase in number of surgeries is the female, since they are working now, they have more financial powers and they want to have self-confidence in themselves. Thank you.